Light Armored Cars, SDKFC 221, 222, 223. SDKFC 223 of the 15th Panzer Division, Libya, 1942. The Wehrmacht used a whole series of armored cars based on the same chassis, SDKFC 221. Armed at first with no more than an MG-34, was brought into service in 1936. From 1942 onward, it was equipped with the 1.1 inch or 2.8 centimeter Panzerbuch anti-tank rifle. These light reconnaissance vehicles consisted in essence of an armored superstructure with a rotating turret mounted on a traditional chassis. In addition to an MG-34, SDKFC 222 also mounted a 0.8 inch, 2 centimeter KWK cannon and had a larger turret. The SDKFC 223 was a SDKFC 221 with a large conspicuous frame, antenna, and high-performance radio system. Vehicles of this series were deployed in the armored car units of the reconnaissance battalions, mostly in teams made up of gun and radio vehicles. SDKFC 220 and 261, known officially as small armored communications vehicles, were turretless. Unarmed versions of the SDKFC 223. They carried a full set of radio equipment and were used mainly at headquarters and in armored communications companies. All models remained in service up to the end of the war and were based on good, if somewhat overcomplicated designs. In Russia, the role was eventually taken over by special half-track vehicles. Altogether, 2,118 vehicles were built. Statistical data: SDKFC 223 Ausführung B. Combat weight 4.8 tons. Crew 3. Dimensions in inches, length, width, height, respectively: 189, 77, 71. Height with antenna 81. Engine: Horch V8 gas water cooled, 3,823 cc, 81 HP. Power weight ratio 15.3 HP per ton. Maximum speed 50 miles per hour road. Range 175 miles road, 125 miles cross country. Armament: 1 MG-34 machine gun. Armor: 0.3 to 0.6 inch, later up to 1.2 inch. Fording depth 24 inches. That has been armored car production.